the stage, Ray Liana M. Belano.
Our guest speaker, their parents, teachers, visitors, and afternoon. Today is a special day as we gather to celebrate a once-in-a-lifetime memorable event. It feels like just yesterday we took our first step into the world of learning, and now we are ready to take another big step forward. On behalf of the AFP MC Daycare Center of Class 2025-2026, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who has supported us along the way. It's to our loving families, especially to my parents, Daddy Novenway and Mami Leah. Thank you for taking good care of me and loving me unconditionally. To our teachers who has guided and helped us go over the past year. Thank you for your patience, kindness, and dedication. Above all, to our Almighty Father, who has always been our protector and great provider. Thank you. Without you, we can do nothing as we move up to our next journey. Let us remember to be kind to one another. My fellow graduates, let us congratulate ourselves for reaching this important milestone. Let us be proud of what we have achieved and excited for what lies ahead. Thank you, and may God bless us all.